Page 36. This old man, sort of. Right hand and left hand. I'm going to do them both. It's the same piece of music with the hands sort of reversed. In the first one, this right hand old man, R.H. is for right hand. Now, I'm going to kind of take both hands at the same time here. So see if we can do that. And the right hand starts here, and the left hand just has the D chord. So it's here. 3, 4, 3, 4, and then the left hand crosses over to get the first note. And they say prepare left hand. Once you played the note, get the left hand back where it goes. You prepare it then. No, don't wait. The last measure of the first line. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Both hands are playing that D scale. Now be careful, these are not octaves. It's an A and an F sharp. Here. I find their little pictures in the words distracting. I keep wanting to look at the pictures. I like a picture. And that's this one. And the left hand, this left hand old man, this L.H., it's just the opposite way. Now the left hand gets the melody, and the right hand gets the chord. 4. And then instead of the right hand playing it, they're saying crossover with the left hand, just cross over and let the left hands. See, it's kind of hard with the left hand to cross over the little finger, but with the thumb we can cross over. You need to get good at that anyway, so okay. So, that's what that is. I pretty much played it for you now. You go ahead and work it out. The articulation, the slurs, lift up, lift up. These other notes, go ahead and connect them. Just pretend they're slurred. Just put in the slurs. Dynamic-wise, really, just have fun with this. Don't worry about the dynamics. We want to hear the melody. So at the beginning, I want to hear the A. Keep the chords soft. And whatever hand you got them in, keep the chords soft. I want to hear the melody. So all the notes in the melody need to be about the same, but the chords on the other hand, keep them soft. When you get to the second line on this, you could play them both about the same, but I would still keep whatever hand has been having the melody, keep it louder here too. So in the right hand old man, the right hand louder. And when you get to the left hand old man, make the left hand louder. That's good practice on that. Speed-wise, well, it's a happy piece, so it's up to you on that. Whatever. But I'd like to play both of these very slowly with you, just to make sure you got the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. Now what I want to do is we're going to do the first one, the right hand, because it's repeated. We're going to do it twice. And then I'm going to count us in again, and we're going to do the left hand, and it's repeated. We're going to do it twice. So I'll give us 4 counts each time. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 4 and. Repeat. 4 and. 3 and 4 and off. Okay, let's do left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. And 4 and. Repeat.